Today we're going to go over and take a look at a new construction house that's located off of Hewitt Street over in Jacksonville. Let's go take a look. Finished out anything yet in the yard or anything. They still have, the ones down there are pretty much almost finished. So as you can see, they're less and less finished up as you're going. You have a couple more over on this side that's going to be going in as well. A lot of vacant area there. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Now this is still under construction, so you won't be able to see every single thing, every detail on it, but kind of give you an idea. You got a nice little eat-in kitchen area here, family room area here. Very good looking granite countertops, nice cabinets back behind. Of course the appliances are not in right now. Refrigerator would go there, stove would go there, and dishwasher would go down here. You have laundry room is in here, and then they still got a lot of construction stuff in here, but 2-car garage and water heater, air conditioner back there. Let's come back over this way. This would be your first bedroom, the master. Decent size, looks probably like about a 10 or an 11 by 15. A small walk-in closet here. We got shower, tub combo. Come back around. All these houses are going to be the exact same. So here's the bathroom. They got to put up the mirror yet. He's still working on electrical, still working on plumbing. Granite countertops. You have 2 entrances. You got a door there and a door here. So that's the other entrance down in there. Another bedroom. Looks like a 9x9 maybe, with a closet right over here. And another 9x9. And the closet's over on this side this time. So, overall, cute little house. Nice little part of town that would be up and coming still. They're starting to take out some of the smaller vacant lots and everything else like that and adding them in. So, just a short little video for you. Want more information, please let me know. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video was informative. If you have any questions or want to learn more, or if you are interested in selling or purchasing a home, here is our contact information. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. We will see you next time.